One of my top secrets to success is pay for the secrets. Let me tell you a quick story. One of my friends who's extremely successful on his way to becoming a 9-figure entrepreneur, and he recently bought a plane, about a $5 million plane, and then realized after buying the jet, there were all these things that needed done. It was like $2 million in work. And he's like, man, I can't believe this. And I can't use the plane for 3 to 6 months. Flash forward, my team and I were looking at planes and jets. And I'm like, okay, never buy anything without knowing all of the secrets. So I start interviewing jet experts. And this one jet expert is like, there's so many problems. If you don't avoid, it'll cost you time and money. I was like, tell me how much it costs. He's like, I'm going to work with you for a few hours. It's going to be 10 grand plus a fee for every jet that I have to audit and inspect. Right away, my gut is like, man, $10,000. Says, Brandon, remember your buddy that couldn't use the plane for 6 months and spent an additional $2 million? Do you want to spend $10,000 now to get the perfect plane that will have limited issues? Or do you want to save a few dollars now and it could end up costing you millions in the near future? The choice is up to you. And I just sat back and I said, where do I sign? Pay for the answers to achieve your goals and dreams and eliminate your pains and your problems.